What's up, everybody? Sky64 here, and today is day 6 of the day tours of Japan. And today we're going to visit a bamboo forest, bamboo garden, whatever. So we're going to visit this stuff. Yep. And I'm just waiting for the group. So far we've got Alex and Harry. Yeah. And I'm at the end. It's a different kind of inn, but I like the rooms a bit better in this one. It's a 5-story inn. Seems smaller. And yeah, there's already got some Japanese people. Yeah, so I'm just chilling with the guys. Hi. Genki desu ka? Genki de nai yo. Hai, domo. Arigatou gozaimashita. Mata ujaku. Mata. I heard that in Melbourne, it's like this. Yeah, I don't know if you've been to Melbourne. See what that's all the buses about? Were you there? They just use it as cars? Yeah, I just drive everywhere. I have my own dog. Maintenance cost. Oh, this is not. There's no houses here. It's just a forest. Yeah. This is actually a cultivated, grown. So we're in bamboo forest right now. It used to be natural, but then people. I'm here with Minobu. So, and yeah, we're just walking through. Walking through this forest, it feels all peaceful. The bamboo is really tall. And yeah, I haven't seen too much lately. We just got here, so yeah. Group's way back there. Yeah. So now I'm with my awesome buddy here, Minobu. Manabu. Alright. Yeah. And we got more students, I think.
Correctly, we shouldn't call it bamboo forest because there's no trees here, except for one tree over there. It's a bamboo field, but it's grass. So because if you look, there's a horizontal line. So a tree doesn't have horizontal line, right? So it's Katsura River, and then across the gorge is Zen Buddhist temple. If you're interested to go there, you can do Zen Buddhist.
Quite the view. Holy cow.
Oh my god. What?
down?
Yep. You like nature? What? Density?
Quite a bit more, actually.
Oh yeah, I mean, if you like hiking, this is supposed to be this trail.
It was
not like
planned
this.
for Peru.
Yeah. Yeah, no, this is just like that here.
Oh yeah.
Right on,
Water, right?
yeah, right on the water there.
Wait. Steep. Gotta watch my step here. There's a nice river going through here.
They're
Looks like
actually right across from the wall. So like you can see it from the cabin. Yeah. So like we kayaked up to the little dock up there. And then we went upstairs and all that. There's a bit of a walk up the stairs.
Yeah.
And then
Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, no, one of those was really pretty. I will go back, but I will go in the fall.
yeah. And then there's that tree that's on the side there. And it's like 1,000 years old.
Oh, a little boat.
Yep, boat.
Someone.
So this is Katsura River.
Can you swim in that?
Yep.
I didn't bring my sword.
And then over there, if you go up, there's a rapids, rock rapids, and then they have a special tour that for 1 hour, you take the old steam engine train, 1 hour that way, and then they drop you off at the point where the bamboo wooden boat that you ride in.
Have you seen the memes and it's like when Big Ben goes off and it's like, oh, governor!
Fascinating. Human-powered carriages.
Yeah.
What stuff? So now we're going to Golden Temples. So that's pretty exciting. So cool. Look at all this architecture. Holy cow. This is a really big tree. Have the yesterday's gate palace or whatever temple. We actually saw a tree stump that was over 1,500 years old. It's on one of my pics that I posted on Facebook or whatever. But so that this tree right here kind of reminds me of the tree that we saw. So yeah, pretty sweet stuff.
Two adults, two students.
So we're in like a Golden Temple Garden, and holy shit, there's a no photography sign right there. That's right, Adriana. You better not be taking pictures.
Maybe. They're Fred Bomber. That's what you're doing.
Alright, so a temple right there. Ah, see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Cool. Nice little pond area.
Oh, there's a big.
Okay, so we're just going around this thing, this shrine thing, and taking different pictures from different angles. So, yeah, we were over there before. And come around. Now we're here, and oh my God, come on, girl.
The only one in the group.
Different areas. Pretty cool. A lot of tourists. Which one? That one? Oh, okay, yeah.
Because there's lilies on the island, around the island. Yeah. I once had a tourist that came here. It looks so fake because it looks too good. So that means it's real. It looks bad. The industry is prone to go like that. I don't know how to explain that, like a spider or something.
I see.
Alien.
Quite the landscapes we've seen so far. Feels like a crazy jungle. Woo!
Yeah. ちょっとだけ。飛んでるわ。
64番でお待ちのお客様。受付番号271番でお待ちのお客様。
So this is interesting. We have a sushi conveyor belt kind of style.
Pretty cool if I do say so myself.
And yeah, it's all over. And then we have this thing where we can order. Woo! And stuff also. One Piece. Yeah. Oh, Emma, do you grab that? That's fine. Thank you. So I'm by myself now. And now I'm actually going to go to the book office to see if I can get some retro games. Very excited. So, yeah. It's down this way. I gotta go find a store called OPA. So that should be exciting. Found it. According to the sign, we've got to go to the 8th floor. So let's go to the 8th floor. It's like a clothing store. Woo! Buy manga. Lots of manga. Holy cow. Manga heaven. Shinobu was not kidding about this place. Well, here it is. N64 stuff. The N64 section. Right behind the hentai section. But anyways, I was looking what they have, and they don't have what I'm looking for. But they do have Animal Story, or Animal Crossing, however you want to call it, if you would call it in North America. But it's not boxed. In fact, the only 3 games they have boxed is SimCity 2000, which I have that already, Mario Party 2, which I'm not even looking for, and they have this fishing game of sorts. I don't actually have this, but I'm not really looking for that either. So overall, I didn't even find what I was looking for, so it's whatever. But you know what? I came, so but yeah, no, this is all this is all hentai and doujin stuff. It's funny. It says there's 18, but they just trust that you're not going to look at this. Really weird. But yeah, obviously I know what this is, so I'm not going to reveal covers here, but yeah, it's crazy stuff. Can't believe you'd find this at a bookstore. You would never find this. And it's not just books, it's DVDs as well. Yeah, you would never find this kind of material in Canada. So, yeah, it's pretty weird. But I'll keep looking a little bit longer. Still got some time to kill. So yeah. ワールドトレジャーゴールドが4000円、ナルト疾風伝ナルティメイトストームトリロジーが4300円、プレイステーション4実況パワフルプロ野球2018が5300円でお売りいただけます。1点から大歓迎ですので、当店までお待ちくださいませ。本日のご来店誠にありがとうございます。Well, it doesn't look like they had what I was looking for, which is a downer, but whatever. You know what? I wasn't expecting much. But you know what? It was worth at least a look, so. Whatever, I suppose. I think that's all the store had to offer. I think. So now I'm going back to the hotel and conclude today's vlog. Actually, I think we're gonna go out for supper later on at 7:30. Okay, so I just came back from supper, and holy shit, it was highway robbery. I had to pay 3,584 yen for a small little barbecue. That's insane. That is an absolute scam in my honest opinion, so fuck that. But yeah. It's whatever, I suppose. The food was good, but not 3,500 yen good. Definitely not. But yeah, no, that will that will have to do it for today, for day 6. I'm pretty tired right now, so I'm just here on my computer going through my material and uploading all my photos and such. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and thanks for watching. You'll see me tomorrow for day 7. Alright, later.